The Boltec ABR machine, that project began in 2011. My name is Peter Bray. I'm the Global Product Manager responsible for rock reinforcement equipment at Epiroc. We saw that underground mining was going to be facing a lot of challenges, particularly when it comes to rock reinforcement, because deeper mines mean higher rock pressures, means more bolts, more mesh. So we had to look at something to try to reduce or at least alleviate that bottleneck that rock reinforcement was becoming. So we had to do something, and LKAB came to us and said, well, let's work together to see if we can try to find a solution to try to speed up not just the productivity, but also improve the safety and also the quality of the bolts that we install.
So rock support is the final line of defense in our mines, and obviously very important. And as we mine deeper, the demands of the rock support system increases. And also the quality of the rock support installation is very important. So we need to look into methods of efficiently installing rock support even in difficult conditions and poor rock.
Pumpable resin does have a lot of advantages actually over the cement. The setting time, the pumpable resin more or less sets within seconds, minutes maximum. So you get load bearing capacity almost immediately, which means that you can get back into an area and continue working if you need to. Or if you have squeezing ground conditions, you can arrest that movement a lot faster. Whereas cement, you've got more or less 24 hours before it starts maintaining a full load. The other advantage too with pumpable resin is that it pushes water away. Whereas if you're using cement grout, if it's a very wet hole, if there's running water, it can flush the cement away. Whereas the resin doesn't care. It just fills the hole and it will set, and the bolt's installed. The really big difference with the Auto Bolt Reload machine is that you've got a very large bolt magazine, which you then use to reload the feed magazine. So what you're doing is that you're removing the need for an operator to go out and manually load the feed magazine, which is the current way of doing things. So by adding this mechanised and automated reloading sequence to the machine, you're very much reducing the exposure of the operator to potentially dangerous areas. The more we can keep the operator away from areas where there might be falling rocks, the better it is. The feedback we have had from the operators in terms of the improvement of their safety has been one of the really shining stars of this product and this project, is that we made their work underground that much safer, and that was really a very good improvement overall.
Så här vill man att utvecklingen ska gå. Det är både bättre för operatörerna och bättre för säkerheten framförallt. Du behöver inte gå fram till magasinet och fylla och gå under osäkrat berg så att säga. Det här är ju absolut ett smidigare sätt att jobba på.
With the pumpable resin system, it's a lot cleaner. It's a lot easier to use and a lot less maintenance involved.
Den är ju betydligt mer effektiv. Du sparar mycket tid på att du inte behöver tvätta den lika mycket, den här riggen. Du har ju ingen cementstänk som stelnar på den. Eller. En cementrigg ägnar du ganska stor tid varje dag till att bara tvätta den. Så på det sättet har du en mer bulktid så att säga.
We can see a capacity increase in terms of bolts per hours in the areas where we have tested it. In certain places we saw almost a double capacity in that particular location and for that rock condition.
If I was to use one word to describe the Boltec ABR, safety. It's a very big step forward in removing the operator from danger areas, and I think that's really the biggest win. You get the added bonuses of productivity and quality as well, but improving the safety for an operator, I think, has been the biggest win.
In one word, I would describe the Boltec ABR as a facilitator. It makes it easier for us to install rock bolts or support in very challenging rock conditions.
It's definitely going to be a good industry improvement, maybe an industry changer.